Hello crafters, today we will learn how to make a bracelet with lariats and pearls. So the tools required are round pliers, you can make a loop with this, a cutter which are very sharp and can be used to cut any wires, a bracelet ring, golden beads, caps, diamond stones, jump rings to secure each end, hook, white pearls, green beads, red beads and lariat. These are also called polki in some regions, and a golden chain. If you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. You also need a multi-purpose adhesive which is B7000. You can buy it from Amazon, which will be linked below. Now take a green bead and paste 3 stones. You only need a drop to do so. You can use the cap of the glue to stick the beads. You need 4 beads for the bracelet. Also, please like this video and press the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. Leave these beads to dry for some time. Now, take a circle of the bracelet ring and cut it with the help of a cutter. Now take the round pliers and make a loop at one end. Secure this tightly so that there is no gap in the loop. From the other end, put a gold bead put a cap a red bead and a cap again. You can use any beads or color you want. I have used green, white and red combination for this bracelet. Make sure to put caps between each bead so that it looks beautiful. Comment below on what type of jewelry you want me to Now to use the layers, separate them from the wire. Make sure you cut the wire as it may come in between while removing. Now put each pearl one by one . You can also use the technique I am using by putting one end of the ring through the loops and bringing down the pearls. If you are not comfortable with this method, you can always do it one by one. Once you have enough pearls in between, you can use your imagination and decide how much you want. Now repeat the whole process again. Put exactly the same amount of beads that you have put before. Put a golden bead at the end, and for the leftover wire, twist it at 90 degrees. Cut the remaining or extra wire with the help of a cutter. With the help of the round pliers, make a loop again at the end. Make sure it is secure and has no gap. Now to attach a jump ring, hold it with a cutter and twist it with a plier. Again twist it opposite direction. Make sure the ends are secure. Attach a gold chain and repeat this process on the other side also. Also attach a hook on one side Again, make sure the jump rings are secured tightly. Now, to make the latkans look more beautiful, you need a round head pin. Cut it in half and put a small pole to secure the green bead. You can use any color you want. Put the head pin through the last loop of the chain and twist it. You can use the round pliers. Secure the ends properly. You can also use woolen thread. Any color thread will do.